Hello. So our project is called the project Matchmaker. So our agenda will discuss about the problem statement, the introduction, methodology, and result and discussion, and the conclusion. Starting off with the problem statement. So we had been given the problem statement, which consists of the cultural fest gamer music matchmaker. So we had given a cultural fest which is being held at SNU, and we had to pair the gaming tournaments with the music concerts. So we had the three columns of the best gaming genres, listing of top one, top two, and similarly we had the music genres, top one and top two. So we had to cluster students to find gamer music overlaps. Then with the introduction, student communities often show strong overlaps between entertainment choices such as video games and music. So we have to understand these overlap, which can help organize design events that maximizes engagement and participation. So we had group students in meaningful personas based on the gaming's and music preference. Secondly, we analyze these personas to extract actionable insights. And thirdly, we recommended event designs, which included games plus music combinations that consist of each cluster's profile.
So next we're going to start with methodology. Here's the shortened version of the points. The dataset that we include both categorical games and music genres and numerical average weekly hours listening to the music. Attributes were prepared for analysis. Categorical features were ordinarily encoded and numerical data were normalized using standard scalar to ensure balanced contributions. And next, for clustering, K prototype was chosen due to its ability to handle mixed type data by using combination of Euclidean and Hamming distances. The optimal number of clusters were determined to be 3 based on the analysis of the cost function and solute score. Um, Next is the result. The model identified 3 distinct clusters of student entertainment personas. Mainstream entertainment seekers or cluster 0 uh, preferred action and sports games with popular music genre like Bollywood and lo-fi. Cluster 1 is more intellectual and relaxed audience enjoy puzzle and sports game with pop and Bollywood music. Cluster 2 uh, goers are gravitated towards racing and FPS gaming with high energy music like EDM and Bollywood. The separation with the clusters on the distant preference and listening habits were visually confirmed using PC and SNE. Uh, I will be moving on to the next one.
Hello, so welcome to the discussion. So we're going to analyze the types of clusters that we got from the analysis, and there are mainly 3 types of clusters. That is cluster 0, cluster 1, and cluster 2. So from the cluster 0, we can get that it's got the mainstream appeal that we suggest, that we can design events that emphasize energy and the competitiveness. And from cluster 1 analysis, we get from that it has an affinity for strategy and soothing music that indicates the potential for relaxed and thoughtful gatherings. There's another type of cluster, cluster 2, that suggests that it highlights the need for fast-paced and expensive event experiences like FPS-based and so on. So let's move into the third slide. And the conclusion is that, so in conclusion, we have applied the key products clustering because we got a really mixed data set for the gamer and the music preferences. We mainly chose, as we stated, that it handles well the categorical and numerical encoding both. We identified 3 meaningful clusters so that because it has a distinct entertainment personas, we recommend 3 only because each one has been tailored to maximize the event participation. So in conclusion, this project demonstrates the power of clustering in real life for event planning and entertainment strategy. Thank you.